Welcome to One Canal Road, the epitome of residential opulence in Lahore. Conceived by the distinguished architect Kobe Karp and ornamented by the minds behind the Versace ceramics collection, this development sets new benchmarks for sumptuous living in Lahore. October has been a month of remarkable progress. We've made significant progress, bringing us closer to our vision. With 216,953 square feet in construction, utilizing 1,401 tons of steel, and pouring 10,019 cubic meters of concrete, we're shaping excellence. Structural work for the apartment levels is progressing smoothly, with level 12 now 20% complete. Almost 50% of the internal and external partition walls have been expertly plastered. Additionally, the MEP, mechanical, electric, and plumbing utilities have been successfully fitted from levels 3 through 6. The remaining plumbing work for basements 1 and 2 in the parking area is in the final stages of completion. One Canal Road is your gateway to high-end living in Lahore, adhering to international standards. Each milestone achieved today brings us one step closer to welcoming you tomorrow. We are well ahead of the timelines. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. One Canal Road, where luxury is at the heart of living.
One Canal Road, Lahore. Living redefined. A project by DR Homes.